I'm Lindsay Gibson, and you're watching the WKCTC Video Digest. First up, mark your calendars for March 30th at 7:30 p.m. because we have a special event coming up at the Clemens Fine Arts Center. Renowned musicians, singer/songwriter, and visual artist Abe Partridge will be gracing our stage. And get this, you'll sit on the stage with the performer for an intimate experience.
So I said, let's get affectionate, like it says in the New Testament. And we were laughing at tomorrow and grinning through the night. And then I heard my neighbor Wanda cursing in slurs as the UFO swirl in her Ponner trailer converged, and she was carried away in this tractor beam. A horrible scene, her hair still in rollers, her nightie busting at the seams, and her scream. Man, it got all the more extreme as she flew through the air to this...
Tickets are available for $8 in advance or $10 at the door. Don't miss out on this unforgettable evening of music and artistry. Calling all parents and kiddos. This Saturday, March 30th from 3 to 5 p.m., swing by the lobby of the Barbara M. Veazey Health Sciences Building for the Teddy Bear Clinic. Bring your child's favorite stuffed animal and let our fantastic student nurses give them a checkup. It's free, it's fun, and it's sure to ease any fears about visiting the doctor. Plus, you can drop by anytime between 3 and 5 p.m. Now let's talk tech. Our Industrial Maintenance Technology Program Coordinator has been busy setting up and testing some brand new lab equipment. Thanks to a grant from the National Science Foundation, we're gearing up to train our students in the latest sensor and robot technology. Speaking of grants, Friday was a big day for WKCTC. Governor Beshear announced that we're receiving some serious funding through Kentucky's G.R.A.N.T program. Nearly $60,000 is heading our way to expand our Cosmetology student practice lab and training salon. That means top-notch spaces, equipment, and furniture to keep our students at the forefront of the industry. Last but not least, let's talk academics. The Advising Center is here to make your advising experience smoother than ever. Whether you're a student with a question or a faculty member looking to help out, swing by the Student Center from April 1st to the 4th between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. We've got answers. That's all for now. See you next week for the latest episode of WKCTC's Video Digest.